Okay, today we are talking about current sensors. So what is a current sensor and how does it work? Well, a current sensor is a device that clamps around a wire, also referred to as a conductor. When current is flowing through that conductor, it generates an electromagnetic field around the wire. The current sensor senses this and turns it into a quantifiable output, such as a voltage or digital signal, that can be used to monitor, control, or protect a piece of equipment, like a motor, for example, on a piece of HVAC equipment. So let's take a closer look at this current sensor. See the part number on the label. So there's your two outputs where your wires would connect to a controller or your BAS. Has this nice convenient slide on it where you can put your wire in. And depending on what gauge wire you have, it has this little adjustable clamp that clamps down on the wire. If you find you're not quite getting a signal from your current sensor, sometimes you can wrap the wire a second time around the current sensor, and that'll generate a strong enough electromagnetic field to be read by the current sensor. Woo! So let's take it apart and see what's inside. Sort of an iron core. And the other half of that iron core is inside that little slide door. You can see it right there. So when you slide it shut, it completes that circuit all the way to detect the field of electricity flowing through the wire. Little circuit board. You see the little screw terminals for your output wires there. I hope this information helps you. Want to tell you right quick about this facilities maintenance handbook, now available on Amazon in paperback and ebook format. Link in the description below. We'll flip through right quick. It has common signage and documents, reference material, and shop equipment drawings. I hope you find it helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.